Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best air cleaners that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Honeywell True HEPA Allergen Remover. This is one of the top-rated air cleaners on the market that you will find very suitable for your services. The imported air cleaner aids in reducing the common household odors with an activated carbon, hence very effective. It also aids in deodorizing the air as it traps larger particles like the lint, fibers, pet fur, and dust among others. This is the perfect purifier that will add additional shine to your products. Give it a try today and you will definitely love it. Moving on at number 4, we have Honeywell HFD120Q Quiet Clean Tower Air Purifier. This is a high-quality air cleaner that features a built-in ionizer to ground the airborne particles to allow for a simpler vacuum cleanup. Besides this, the air cleaner is operated quietly, making a perfect choice for anyone. It also has a permanent pre-filter for rooms measuring about 170 square ft. The air cleaner is very excellent as it can capture the pollen, pet dander, dust, and tobacco smoke. It is one of the best air cleaners that will guarantee you a clean air every time. Despite being one of the best, it is relatively cheap and affordable. Give it a try today and you will realize how much you have been missing. At number 3, we have Home's HEPA HAP242 NUC Air Cleaner Purifier. This is a unique and excellent air cleaner purifier that has 3 speeds, plus an optional ionizer. With the 3 speeds, you will have varied options for different conditions. The optional ionizer will aid in the removal of particles from a cleaner air. The air cleaner has a slim dual design, hence you can place it either vertically or horizontally. The smart size makes it suitable for rooms with about 109 square feet. It is very accurate and removes up to 99% of airborne particles for a pure air. This is one of the ultimate air cleaners you don't want to miss. Give it a try today and you will realize how much you have been missing. At number 2, we have OION B1000 Permanent Filter Iconic Air Purifier. This is an ideal air purifier for a single room, which you can consider a bargain for the environment and yourself as well. It supports ionizer purification that is electrostatic. This is by the use of negative ions which play the role of getting rid of airborne pollutants as minute as 0.01 micron. This is such as pollen, smoke, allergens, unpleasant odors, airborne irritants, dust and pet dander. This is why you should buy this air cleaner. It has a purification fan that operates quietly without disturbing your peace. Therefore, if you want your air to be purified, sanitized or cleaned, then this is the best air purifier that you should buy. Buy it today at a pocket-friendly price for great and best service. And finally at number 1. Germ Guardian AC4825 Air Cleaning Purifier. This is the best-selling air purifier on the market today from Guardian Technologies. It comes with true HEPA filter which captures 99.97% allergens and dust. It absorbs even the most minute as small as 0.3 microns, for example, pet dander, plant pollens, household dust, and mold spores. It features a charcoal filter which plays a key role in minimizing common odors from smoking, cooking, and pets. It also has a UVC light tech which operates with titanium dioxide to get rid of airborne bacteria, germs, mold spores, and viruses. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.